Hello everybody, we're going to be doing some work in our literacy today about robots. And robots comes from a Czech word, robota, that means forced work or labour. But nowadays the word robot is used to mean a man-made machine that can perform work or other actions normally done by humans, either automatically or by remote control. Most robots are used to do repetitive or boring actions or jobs considered too dangerous for humans. They're used in factories to build things like cars, chocolate bars, and electronics. Some robots are even designed to explore deep underwater and out in space. NASA has sent robots to explore on other planets. So look at these different robots in factories. Okay, so they can do things that are too dangerous for humans to do, like there's a glass cutting on there. They can go in very hot environments as well, or they can do things like in a chocolate factory here or a bottle factory here where it's just doing the same thing over and over again, but it has to be so perfectly that it would be difficult for a human to do lots and lots of times. Okay. Why do we use robots? Well, it's cheaper and easier, and sometimes the only way to get things done. Robots can explore inside gas tanks, volcanoes, even Mars, or other places that are too dangerous for humans to go. Robots can also do the same thing over and over and over again without getting bored. They don't get sick and they don't take a day off, and they can work for 24 hours a day without stopping. Okay. Robots are usually made from a variety of materials, including metals and plastics, and they have three main parts. The controller, which is a computer really that you can program to do what you want it to do. That's like the brain of the robot. And then mechanical parts that make the robot move, like this robotic arm you can see here. And they normally have got some kind of sensors that react to light or sound or touch or temperature. So, for example, some people have robots that do the hoovering for them around the house, and when they come towards a wall, the robots can change direction because they from their sensors they know they're coming up to a wall or a piece of furniture, so they know to turn and move in another direction. Okay. Unlike in films, robots can't think for themselves or make decisions. Okay. So the robots have to be programmed by a human to do what we want them to do. But who knows what they'll be able to do in the future? We're going to do a robot design today. Okay. So you have to think about what useful job your robot could do, how you will communicate with it, what will power it, how will it move, what resources will you need to make it, and what will it be called? Okay, so you've got a sheet just like this in on the website or in your paper pack, and I've put here some maybe useful words that will help you to design your robot. Do you want to see my robot design? Okay, so this is what I did. I had a little think. If I could have a robot that could do anything for me, what would it do? And here is mine. Mine is called the AE from Harrod Evans 2021 Transporter Bot. Because if I could do anything right now, I would travel somewhere. I would travel all the way to Anglesey, like you can see here, in Ysmore, where my dad lives, because it takes me 5 hours to get there normally, and I haven't been for a really, really long time. So I would love a robot that could transport me to different places really quickly. Okay, so my robot can transport you to any destination. You have to type in, can you see here, into his computer, your desired destination, and with its multi-transportation functions, it'll get you to wherever you want to go. So look at the different parts of it I've designed. At the bottom here, he's got all-terrain tracks, so he can travel over mountains or deserts. Here, we've got a twin-fired jetpack for super fast air travel, so it can whoosh into the air and take me anywhere I want to go. Here, we've got a parachute for when you have jetted into the air to get back down to earth safely. Here's a helicopter propeller, look, for vertical takeoff, so I can go straight up into the air. Here's my destination programmer screen, and it's also got a water jet propeller for jet ski across water. So if I have to travel over the sea, this is what takes me. Okay, so there's my ideas for my robot. I can't wait to see your design. Okay, send it to me on Seesaw later on today. Well done, everybody.